pwede mong sabihan yung president natin, bakit patuloy na imbestigahan ang flood control. Ang flood control, ibalik ang pera. Binibilin nyo na lahat ng mga congressman, mga senador, at ang mga justice system. Mahiyang naman kayo! Mahiyang kayo sa pera ng
Ayan, si Fred Castro.
Bring back the money to the coffers of Filipino.
Your face is ugly than what you are. Because you're a liar.
Ma'am,
You're a traitor.
singganana,
You are a thief.
Sinungdaman ako, singganan ko kagwapa sa inyo. Pero taluoy ang mga Pilipino.
Shame on you, Claire,
Ang
anti-Claire.
ninyo ang kwarta sa flood control.
Shame on you, anti-Claire, anti-Claire.
Please,
What a cry baby.
please, bring the money to the Filipino people. We have a big flood control projects come right now.
I think we can hear you about that.
Kapal ng mukha.
You can film all you want, no problem, but they feel threatened by you guys, just let them be. You can film them all you want, no problem.
We are harmless. We just want to let them know.
Feel free to say whatever you want.
She lies. She lies. Harassing.
Oh, come on, harassing. Look what you did in the Philippines.
No, we are not violent. We're with you.